Hey everyone, I wanted to share this really amazing AI tool with you. It is an AI photo generator. It is probably the most advanced photo generator out there right now. Here are some examples of what I've been able to create with this AI photo generator. So if you scroll up here, I'll just kind of show you some examples here of open houses, for sale sign, pictures of families. These are fully AI created images based off of a prompt that I gave it. So it's really, really cool. It makes some really unique features. And what I do is I combine this application, it's called MidJourney, with ChatGPT to create really specific and detailed images based off of a prompt that I create in ChatGPT. So we're gonna head right into it. I'll do a quick overview of this. If you want to learn more about this program, and I am doing a full training on this, so just let me know in the comments if you want to be a part of that training, and I will put you on the email list. So just let me know in the comments down below. I'll drop a link. You can sign up. Probably in the next week or so, I'll do a full training. It's about 35 minutes of a Zoom training, and then questions. And it is, again, especially for agents, it's one of the most powerful AI image creators on the internet right now. It's pretty cool. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna head over to ChatGPT. I'm gonna use ChatGPT to create a scene and have it describe a scene, and then give that scene to this AI tool. So it'll all make sense in a moment. So let's go over to ChatGPT. I'm gonna start a new chat, and I'm just gonna tell ChatGPT give me a very basic prompt. Let's think of a mansion for sale. And I'm gonna use my voice to text here to write the prompt out, just a little bit easier for me. Create a scene for a mansion for sale in California. Create the scene using text that I can then give to MidJourney to have it create the image. So I just gave it a very basic prompt. I'm gonna see what ChatGPT comes back, and then I'll refine the prompt even more. So we'll send that there and see what it kind of spits back out at us. So this is perfect. All right, so let's read through really quickly what it gave us here. Right, the prompt that it gave us here is imagine a luxurious mansion perched atop a rolling hill in California, bathed in warm glow of the setting sun. The mansion features a sprawling Mediterranean-inspired design with smooth stucco walls, painted a soft sandy beige, and a Tarocca, I don't know what the word means, roof tiles, large arch windows, and French doors open to expansive terraces with wrought iron railings and which is ridiculous. So, anyways, we're just gonna take this whole prompt. It's pretty specific. It's pretty detailed. We're gonna take the entire prompt, and now I want you to see the power of this AI image creator. So, watch. We're gonna go over here to our Discord. Right, this is the AI tool. It runs off Discord. It's called MidJourney, and we're gonna have it create this image right here. So we're gonna do prompt imagine, then we're gonna copy the prompt from ChatGPT, give it to Midjourney, and let's see what this AI photo generator can do. And whenever I run a prompt here and create an image, I am always like blown away by how detailed this AI image generator gets. So here it even tells you the percent that it finished. There we go. It's rendering the image now. There we go, right there. That is the image it created. It really, I mean, if you read the prompt and you look at the details, it is amazing how specific it can get. It even puts in those tiny details that you don't even expect it to do. So again, it says over with trailing plants, a distant Pacific Ocean. There you go. You have the ocean in the background, the distant. You have the driveway winds towards the front entrance right there. This puts the winding driveways in there. I mean, it is amazing what this AI tool can do and how specific it can get. And but to go even further, the crazy thing about this is it gives you 4 variations. I can then pick my favorite one. So let's go with number 2 here. So let's go with version 2. It gives me that, and then what I can do is I can upscale the creative subtly, or I can upscale it in a big way. Upscale means it gives me a different variation of it. So it takes this one and it gets more creative with it, and it can take this and make minor adjustments to it to make it more creative. But the part I like the most about this AI tool is the fact that I can vary a region. So this wasn't working yesterday, but we'll try again today. The tool was down, but this is a tool that I can come in here and I can select a specific area that I want. So let's take this. I can take this region here, right? And I can add in to the sunset sky, right? We'll say is a bright orange, right? And then we can send that in, and it'll take just that region. It'll leave the rest of the image alone and only change that one specific area that you want to change. So I can select the sky. I can say have an airplane or a helicopter flying overhead, and it leaves the entire image the same, and then inserts a plane or helicopter into the sky. So just that fact alone, that's one thing that almost no AI image generator can do. So right here, so I had to change just that one region there. And you can see it's already doing it, right? See, it's rendering that one region. Watch it change. It's changing right there. See that? It's changing just that area, and it's gonna make it a different color orange. Basically, it's much more bright right there. It's much more vivid, and I can keep enhancing this further. So let's say again, it gives you 4 variations where it just changed that one spot. So now let's go. Let's take this one. Let's take number 4 here, just for the example. And let's drill down more. Let's let's try to get like a Lamborghini in the driveway. I don't know. Oftentimes it can't do these big changes, but let's see if we can get a Lamborghini parked in the driveway. So let's see here, privacy, da da da, and let's go to the driveway spots here. Let's see, expensive foreground background, but two landscaped. All right, let's find this driveway here. French doors, expansive, large. Let's see. I know it's here somewhere. It's probably at the end here. Let's come here and let's say with a fancy car parked on the driveway. Let's see if we can insert an entire vehicle, entire fancy car onto that cobblestone driveway. Oftentimes it can't make those big changes, but yesterday it wasn't working as well. I'm going to try to get it to work today. There we go. So it didn't get those ones, but it got this first one there. So right there, it changed just that area. It even added a little planter right there, a little variation, and then it put the fancy car in the driveway. So we take this one here. We'll do this top one here is version 1. So now our picture has a car in the driveway. Right. So now we can come here again. We can vary region again, and now let's add something else. Let's add some birds in the sky. So let's just say up top here. Let's just come here, right, the sky, and we'll come back down to where it says, there we go, we'll find out where it says soft painted beige, French doors. Let's find the sky, bright orange skies, right, with a flock of birds, with a flock of birds flying in the sky. We'll say towards the ocean. All right, and now let's get that there, and let's make this region a little bigger. Let's just do this. Try this right now. All right, let's see if we can add birds in the sky. But I think you guys can already get the feeling of what you can create with this tool. I've been using it now for my social media posts. Whenever I make a post about open houses or for agents, or anything, that I come here and I give ChatGPT the content of the post, and I ask ChatGPT to describe an image that will go along with my social media post. It describes in ChatGPT. I take that, I come into MidJourney, and I apply it here. So let's see what it did here. There we go. So now we have, see that how I put the little birds in the sky right there. So we can take this one here. So we'll come down here and we'll take almost like version 3 has the birds. So now our image, the same image, now has birds flying in the sky in distance towards the ocean. So again, you can keep getting granular and adding in little details. You can add people, you can add cars, vehicles, whatever you want. You can change the color of the roof or the window. You can change and it only changes the region that you select. Nothing else changes in the image. So as you can imagine, you can get pretty crazy with this AI tool. The one last thing, which I won't go into too much detail about on this particular quick little demo, but there's also a command, a prompt, where you can take two images and combine them together. So an example I did yesterday was, and I'll show you the result of it, is we took a real estate agent's headshot and we combined it together with an AI image. So I'll find a few guys here. Let's see where I put it. I think I maybe didn't here. Let's see, right there. So this right here, we took a headshot of an agent and combined with like a high tech feel of an AI generated image, and it spat out this image. So you can take an image of you and combine it with a picture of a house, of an open house, and you can put yourself into the AI generated image. It inserts you into the image. It's not perfect with how it gets your face and how you look, but it's a good enough job that people can tell that it's meant to be you in that picture. So it's really cool. You're going to take two any images, and you can merge them together, right? And it creates a new image based off of the two pictures you give it. So it's really, really cool. It can do a lot more. It can describe images. Again, if you guys want the full class, just let me know in the comments down below, and I will send you out the form for you to sign up to our class. Probably in the next couple weeks I'll do it. I don't have an exact time, so to sign up, and once we do, I will notify you and send you an SMS or an email with the exact dates of when the class will be. But trust me, you do not want to miss this. This is one of the most powerful AI image generators out there right now. Take care, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. And if you want more content like this on this group, let me know. I'm more than happy to do it. I'm knees deep in AI and technology for real estate agents. So by all means, let me know if you want more of this kind of content, and I will push it out there for you guys. Take care and have a great rest of your day, everyone.